In this video, I'm going to show you every type of user input in C#. And I'm not just talking about the basic stuff. We are covering strings, ints, float, and booleans, all of them with real game lab examples that you can copy and use today. And you say, what is user input? User input means your program that's the user type something in. It's like asking, for example, what's your character name? How fast should the player run? Or do you want hormone on or off? I write console, right? I put an example, enter your character name. I put a string, I put a name like is this character name equal console.readline, and finally we write console.readline character name. And you can put the text if you want. It's very easy, and we use ints and whole numbers, no decimals, perfect for how many enemies you can spam, what level the player starts on, or how many coins they collect. And I show you an example who it works. We write the same. I call enemy count and I use convert to int 32 console.readline. I use because the readline gives a text, and it is the reason I use convert that to int 32. And finally, write enemies to spawn. I write Alex, my character is Alex, and how many should spam? I put 10. Enemies to spam, 10. It's very easy. I use floats. We start using floats that are numbers with decimals. This is important for game physics and character movement. Useful for movement speed, jump force, cooldown timers, or gravity values. I share an example. Write the same. Set player speed. Float. I put speed. And pay attention. I use convert to single console.readline. I use convert to single. I use it because when you use console.readline, the user input always comes in as text even if they type a number. For example, I use when I convert to single does two things. First, takes a string like for example I put 4.5 and turns into a float the number 4.5, and when you use it anytime the user needs to type a value that includes decimal like movement speed, jump power, gravity, cooldown time, and any physics value in games. So take the convert to single and return this text into a float button. It's the same. I put your speed is plus speed. It works. It's very easy. And that missing stuff, the booleans. Booleans are yes or no, true or false, on or off. This is the type that controls the rules of your word. For example, I write the same, enter cat mode, true or false. I write wool, I call cat mode, and before to share on the console, I need to explain why I use convert to boolean and what it is and why we use it. It's the same situation. Console that read line always keeps text, never a real boolean. If the user types true, C# sees the string true, and what happened? And C# to turn into an actual boolean value you use bool is alive equal convert to boolean console that real line, for example, and how it works. Treats a string like true or false, and after converts it into a boolean true or false when you use it. Whenever the user must choose between two options such as good mode on or off, debug mode, hard mode is the period, ready is the game pause. If the user types true, the boolean becomes true. If they type false, it becomes false. And pay attention, it only accepts true or false, exactly like that. If the input something else, it will throw an error. And finally, how it works. It works. And finally, I show you a real example. Now, let's combine everything like a final challenge. I put character name, the same, the character name, and we repeat the same. This is basically a mini character setup like the ones you see in actual game engines. And finally, it works. The character name is Alex. My level is 5. My speed is 10. And it is false. It works, it's very easy. And that's it. You now officially understand variables in C#, which means you are already ahead like the 90% of beginners. If this video helped you even a little bit, hit that like button because it tells YouTube this content is worth showing to more people. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep calling, and I see you in the next one.